What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute, but I'm working now. So here's my makeup transformation. I did hair and makeup. It looks so bomb. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social media. Will be linked down below too. So let's start off with brows. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I am going to be going in and really defining the top and lower brow. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and lightly feather everything in as well. So I always like to go ahead and outline the top and the bottom, and then I'll go ahead and start brushing some product in as well, and then spooling it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn my brush around and start flicking some hair strokes up and then blending with a spoolie. But anyway, guys, so what's up? What's new? I hope you guys like this video. I know I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. I'm so sorry, but I am actually working now, so that's why I just been MIA, taking care of my kids and just doing the responsible shit that I have to be doing. And yeah, guys, so I'm just spooling again and gonna go ahead and blend everything together. You guys want to keep the lightest product in the front, so that way you can go ahead and ombre and feather in, you know, for that light to dark kind of shit. So now let's go in with some Tarte Shape Tape. You guys know this is my jam. I'm going to be going ahead and using an angled flat brush and going to carve out my her eyebrow with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. Sorry, I coughed. Sorry, guys. But anyway, I'm just going to right below her brow bone just to highlight and really define the damn brow. Just make it look a lot better, guys. And then I'm going to be dragging that product downwards to use on her actual eyelid as an eyeshadow primer. So then now that her eyebrows are both carved out, I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe sponge. Take a little bit more of that Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium, and then go ahead and bounce that onto her eyelid. We're going to be using this as an eyeshadow primer today. And then we're going to be going in with some translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and pack that on, so that way all the eyeshadows blend like a dream and blend very seamless, guys. So you guys want to make sure you guys set your eyeshadow base. Now we're going to be taking my favorite palette from Morphe, and it is the 3502. It's the third shade. It's a really pretty transition color. I'm going to go ahead and lift her eye just a little bit. My client has beautiful eyes for eyeshadow, guys, because look how deep set her eye socket is. It just looks so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and take that more brownie sienna kind of shade. It's on the third row, the third color. I really like it. It's a lot darker than the other one, but I really wanted to keep it a little bit more warm instead of cool tone. And so I'm going to be going ahead and putting that into the crease, going back and forth, back and forth. And then we will go in with a bigger brush to go ahead and blend it out. So I like to lay down my colors first, then going in with that first shade, which is a really light transition color. Then we're going to be going in on right on top and above that color that we place, so that way we can have a really nice gradient and a really nice blend. You want to go light to dark, at least on this eyeshadow look that I'm doing. I'm going light to dark. So look how beautiful that blended out, guys. So now I'm going to be taking the Life's a Drag by Lunar Beauty, which is aka Manny MUA's beauty line. Going ahead and taking the shade Shady, which is the matte black. We're going to go ahead and define that outer corner first, just a little bit, and then we'll go in later on to go ahead and clean up that crease, guys. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going on the outer corner and really placing it there. I want to map out where I want the dark eyeshadow. I don't want to take it too high, and I definitely do not want to take it, you know, into the crease and inner corner of her eye. So that's why I am mapping it out first, going ahead and just stamping it on the outer corner. And look at, oh my god, it looks beautiful, and she liked it. But so then now I'm going to go in with that dark shade again, and we're going to go ahead and use that dark shade to go ahead and blend out this black, just so that way it doesn't look too harsh. And, you know, just, I don't want her to look like she had a black eye. So, guys, That's why we're going to go ahead and use that brown. So now we're going to be going ahead and cutting the crease with that Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium again. Just cutting that damn crease. That's all we're doing, guys. Nothing new. Nothing new with the half cut crease, but it just looks so beautiful. And she wanted this smoky blackness, and it just looks so beautiful. Now taking that second shade, which is like a really pretty gold champagne color, going ahead and pop that onto the lid where we cut that damn crease. You guys, it looks so bomb. Look at how beautiful. And I practically use every shade from the damn 3502 palette except for the black. Just because the 3502 palette does have a black, but I dropped mine, so mine broke. So that's why I'm using the Manny MUA palette. But anyway, guys, so now I'm going to be taking that brownish shade and putting that right in front of that black. So I wanted to go brown, black, and then on the outer corner, brown again. Just because that black just looked a little too intense, and I'm mixing all of those three colors and really blending that outer corner. But you guys can see the difference between the right eye and the left eye. You guys can see that brown right there, right where the gold and the brown meet, and then the black meets. I know it doesn't make sense, sorry, but anyway, I took my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich and I used that on her face to hydrate. Then I went in with a pore filling primer, which is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More. Then I'm using the new Becca I forgot what it's called, but it's the new full coverage foundation that Becca came out with, and so I'm using that on her face today. You guys, I really like the foundation. I just feel like the shades dry down to a cool tone shade. So I will say that this foundation, only because of the color, guys, only because of the color that I'm using, even on myself, guys, when I use this another shade on myself, it literally like oxidizes to a really cool tone gray kind of color, and I do not like that. Now I'm going to be going in with that same Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, Cupid's bow, chin, forehead, all of that jazz, all of the regular contour and highlight 101 that we do, guys. So I don't need to explain that much, do I? But you guys, so like I was saying about the foundation is beautiful. Colors, I don't know, but because the two colors that I got, the one I'm using on her and the one I used on myself, guys, I didn't like the color afterwards. Like, it really oxidized and turned kind of gray. But anyway, guys, so now I'm blending out with my Morphe sponge. I really want to bring forward, you know, those highlighted points. But you guys, and I love my client. This is actually one of my clients, guys. She has been coming to me for a while now. So, and I love doing makeup on her. She's really amazing and she knows makeup. She loves the Manny Life's a Drag, you know, so we clicked and she wanted something dramatic. So I gave that to her. Oh, and the lashes, guys, I didn't mention it, but the lashes are Rabel from BeBella Cosmetics. They do have a lash line, and they are the Mink ones, so they are in the shade or the style Rabel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set her under eyes and practically everywhere else that I highlighted her face with. Then I'm gonna go ahead and went with a little brush, taking a little bit of more of that powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and set all of the other areas. I don't like to bake the other areas, just because it just looks a little too heavy sometimes. But underneath the eye, it looks beautiful. So I went in and brushed it all away. Now I'm taking the shade 2 powder. It's the Brightening Under Eye Powder from KKW Beauty, aka Kim K's, you know, makeup line. Going ahead and highlighting her under eyes. I'll go a little bit on down the bridge of her nose, a little bit on the chin, and a little bit on the forehead. Oh yes, to bring that light forward, guys. Hello. So then now I'm going to be going in with my Hoola by Benefit. This is the bronzer. Going ahead and snatching those cheekbones, making sure everything looks snatched because that's how she likes to look. I just love when I get clients that, you know, are into the same type of makeup as me just because they look bien chingon, you know, bien chingonas. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the cheeks just a little bit, and then I immediately go ahead and swipe it away. I just don't like how sometimes it leaves a cast there. but it does the job if you just go ahead and lay it down and then clean it up and sweep it away. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that mustardy kind of brown shade, going ahead and putting that on her lower lashes just to smoke it out and give her lower lashes some dimension and some color. I do not want to neglect that under eye, you know, because the eye on top looks so beautiful. And if I do not put something on the bottom, it'll just look naked and look like something's missing, which I do not want. So then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the black and connect that to the outer corner. And I'm only going to put it on the outer corner. I'm not going to go any closer. You know, I do not want to go where the eyeball is. I only want to focus it on the outer fucking corner. That's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Buxa mascara and go ahead and coat her lashes. I am using a disposable wand, guys. You guys make sure you guys are clean. But then I'm going to go ahead and take the nylon eyeshadow from MAC and go ahead and pop that into her inner corner so that way we can brighten up this look and give it some more drama that it needs. Now I'm going to be going in the shade, no, I'm going to be going in with a ColourPop Lippy. And this one is in the shade, I forgot. Let me think, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this one on her lips. Oh yeah, this one is in the shade Regine. So this one is a ultra satin lip, which I do like because they do dry down, but they aren't like that super matte, uncomfortable finish. Now let's go in with the Jackie Aina Artist Couture highlighter. And anyway, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight those cheekbones. Look at how beautiful this shit is. Sorry, guys. But anyway, guys, look how beautiful this fucking highlighter is. I can't get over it. But do you guys see what I mean about the foundation, guys? But before I forget, look at her nose. Look how snatched her nose is. I went in and highlighted and also add a little bit of that Hoola by Benefit to contour and snatch her nose a little bit more. Now I'm moving on to the hair, guys. If you guys do want a hair tutorial, let me know down below so that way I can do that for you. I just want to go ahead and just flip right into this and just do it because my client had to go, guys. So I'm just trying to rush a little bit. But you guys, look how beautiful it looks. That is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm so sorry. I'll be sure to upload even more, guys. I promise. I'll try my best to keep videos going. But it's hard. I'm working now. But I will try my best. I love you guys so much. And this is the before. And then this is my client after. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.